In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom breakpoint in Wix Studio. Responsive design means your site adapts to different screen widths. Breakpoints are the points where that adaptation happens. Wix Studio includes desktop, tablet, and mobile by default, but adding a custom breakpoint lets you fine-tune layouts for a specific width you care about. Open a new browser tab and search for Wix. From the results, open the official Wix website so you can get to your projects. Sign into your account to reach the dashboard. If you work across multiple sites or workspaces, confirm you're in the right place before moving on. From the dashboard, open the Wix Studio site you want to edit. This loads the Studio editor, and at the top you'll see the responsive controls. Look along the top bar for the device icons labeled Desktop, Tablet, and Mobile. Right next to them is a small three-dot, or ellipsis, button. Click it to reveal more breakpoint options. If it's hidden, simply widen your browser so the top bar is fully visible. In the menu that appears, choose Add Breakpoint. A field will open where you can define the exact width. Type the pixel value for your new breakpoint. Pick a width that matches a genuine design need, like a common laptop size, or the point where your layout starts to feel cramped or too spacious. If your content shifts around 1200 pixels, for example, set your breakpoint close to that number to capture the change precisely. When you're ready, click Done. Your new breakpoint now appears in the bar alongside the defaults, and you can switch to it to adjust spacing, fonts, and component alignment for that exact view. Edits you make here are scoped to this breakpoint's layout logic, so you can refine without undoing the work you've already done on other views. Use the preview to scrub across widths and make sure the transition into and out of your new breakpoint feels smooth, and that's it. You opened your site, used the ellipsis beside the device icons, added a breakpoint, entered the pixel width, and clicked Done. With a custom breakpoint in place, you can design with more precision and deliver a polished experience on every screen size that matters to your audience.